It's the first cross-country session of the year. The only expectations I have are today is to gain some confidence. Gain confidence, don't fall off. The bar is low. First point of business is steps. Misty has this really weird thing in her head where even though she's done a ton of steps, she'll still leap them like there's something brand new to her. So we're gonna practice. Good girl. There we go, and that is what it's about. We're building confidence. Good girl.
Where are we going now?
I'm going to do a log as a little pit stop. Back to serious. Here is another one of our arch nemesis, is a ditch. This one is very large. We're not tackling this quite yet. But this is the goal. This is our current level. What do you think, Misty? She's not gonna like it, I'm telling you right now. Oh, come on. Okay. Whee! Good girl. Oh, Misty. Okay. Did not expect that. I'm happy enough for that. Oh, Misty. I should have tried this, shouldn't I?
Third time lucky.
Good girl. I would say that's some confidence gained, right? Mission accomplished.